Hello everyone, this is Mubarak and English for a better life teacher. Surprised, ተገረመ, delighted, ተደስቻለሁ ወይ ተደሰተ, worried, ተጨነቀ, hurt or injured, ተጎዳ, annoyed, ተበሳጨ, get angry, ተናደድኩ, okay? panicked, ደንግጧል, okay? found out, ታወቀ, deceived ታታልሏል ኦኬ captured ተይዟል slipped ተንሸራቶ ማለት ተንሸራተተ ማለት stumbled ኦኬ ተሰናከለ ወይ ተሰናክሏል shocked ድንጋጤ ወይ failed አልተሳካም failed left behind ወደ ኋላ ቀርቷል. This is English for a better life. Follow and subscribe.